Hello, welcome back to English with Chris. Today we're looking at 10 cat idioms. So, what do we have in store? First up, we have a cat in gloves catches no mice. This expression means that if you are too careful and polite, you may not obtain what you want. Our example here, negotiate carefully, but remember, a cat in gloves catches no mice. Don't be too careful or cautious. A cat can look at a king. So the expression means that nobody is so important that an ordinary person cannot look at or be curious about them. Our sentence: a cat may look at a king, but for you to tell your boss that he is not being fair to you seems impossible. So I'll let you think about this one and see what you think. If you can use this particular idiom yourself and write it in the comments, that would be awesome. Or try with one of the others, maybe an easier one if you feel like it. Next up, we have a fat cat. The term is used to refer to a rich, powerful, self-satisfied person who uses their money and power in a way that you disapprove of. So the sentence here: the place was full of fat cats on their big yachts. So I guess this probably came from the fact that if you're able to get fat, maybe you have more money than most. You're able to buy more food. But I have to look into the etymology for that one. Next up, we have let the cat out of the bag, meaning if you let the cat out of the bag, you reveal a secret, often unintentionally. This idiom is used so often. You really need to learn this one. Usually, this will be used in the same context as our example. So let's go to that one. When the child told her grandmother about the plans for her 70th birthday, she let the cat out of the bag. It was supposed to be a secret. So we often use this if we're talking about birthdays, where you're throwing a surprise birthday party for someone, and there's always that one person that accidentally tells the person, or if not directly, they give them a really big clue, which essentially lets the cat out of the bag anyway. Next up, we have grin like a Cheshire cat. If you ever watched Alice in Wonderland, you'll think of this iconic picture straight away of the Cheshire cat with a really big smile from ear to ear. He's basically grinning. But yeah, so the meaning here: a smile on their face because they're happy or satisfied about something. They grin like a Cheshire cat. So they're trying not to, maybe, but it shows. You can't hide it. Our sentence: I knew she had succeeded when I saw her with a grin like a Cheshire cat. Next up, like a cat on hot bricks. So if you think of a cat on hot bricks, they do not want to be on them for obvious reasons. I don't think anyone does. So you're trying to get away as quickly as possible. Yeah, so meaning a person who is like a cat on hot bricks is very nervous or restless. You're very careful and cautious about where you tread to avoid getting burnt, essentially. So here we see the week before the results were published, she was like a cat on hot bricks. She was really cautious and sort of worried about the results. Next up, we have like herding cats. This expression refers to the difficulty of coordinating a situation which involves people who all want to act independently. So cats are known to be very independent. Interestingly, we have almost the same expression with various different animals. So it could depend on where you live as to which variant you're here, but cats are used often enough. And our sentence here: trying to arrange an outing for a group of people from different countries is like herding cats. So everyone's got different preferences, different ideals, etc. Next, we have like a scolded cat, meaning if something or someone moves like a scolded cat, they move very fast, usually because they are frightened or shocked. Our sentence here, as soon as he saw the policeman, he ran off like a scolded cat. So clearly this person might have been in the wrong and they didn't want to be caught, so they ran off like a scolded cat. Like something the cat dragged in. Again, this one is used very, very often. So if you don't know it, now's the time to learn it. If you compare a person or thing to something the cat dragged in, you think they look dirty, untidy, or generally unappealing. Our sentence here, my teenage son often looks like something the cat dragged in. And this one, like I mentioned, used very, very often, so I would definitely try and learn this one. Next up, we have no room or not enough room to swing a cat. I actually don't like this one because I'm a big cat person, and this one just sounds mean. Maybe some of the others do too, but this one in particular. But the meaning, the expression is used to describe a place or a space that is very small. So used in a sentence, we can't sleep in this room. There's no room to swing a cat in here. I don't know why cats were originally chosen for this. Obviously, you shouldn't swing any animal, but yeah, it's a strange one. But it's used very, very often, so you would definitely hear this if you've not already heard it. Anyway, if you can, try to use one, or if you're feeling like it, try and use all of these in a sentence of your own. Write them in the comments, and I'll take a look and see how you've done. And if you enjoyed the video, please do leave a like, subscribe if you're not already, and like I mentioned, try and write some in the comments. It'd be great to see you all, and maybe we can form a bit of a community and help one another out. That would be great. Anyway, I hope you're having a lovely day. All the best. Take care, and bye for now. Bye bye.